What you guys looking at right here is what I call it, a bow tie shield. That's going to be on the bottom of the seat, and you can see it's simulating the cut on for the plasma cutter. And let me start this over. Let y'all see it again. So what it does is, when the plasma, this little dark circle, it simulates the plasma cutter cutting the Chevrolet letters out. And then you can see, once it finished there, it goes to a different spot. And it's pretty cool as far as, when you have something like a design that you want to kind of simulate how it's going to go and the path and all that. And right behind it, the shadow, you can see the bottom of the seat in this shadow. And Fusion 360 is awesome about, you can pull an actual picture, and they call it a canvas that you can put it on your actual design that you're wanting to do, make it pretty close to the same size, and then you can overlay what you're wanting to cut, and you can do the measurements pretty dang close, once you get good at it, which I'm getting there, but pretty close. It's a pretty handy tool. I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'm gonna make a design on the side of the seat over here, and this side it's actually gonna have a pin, and these two little collars that you see in the picture, I'm gonna have some pull pins as well. That way I can just pull the pin and pick up the whole seat. But the side is gonna have one pin where I can tilt the whole seat forward, and I can get behind the seat. I'm gonna gradually get a subwoofer box in the back. So I'm going to have a complete series build on the interior. And if you hadn't seen my other video, I put these bucket seats in last weekend. But I haven't worked on a truck in a while, and I'm ready to get enthused. I'm going to drive the Camaro for a while, and then have this working, and I'm going to switch back and forth, fixing the Camaro up. But yeah, it's pretty awesome, man. When you can do this, it's pretty fun. You guys got any questions, just let me know. And like and subscribe, man, if you want any more of this kind of stuff. I want to do it no matter what anyway. I might as well share it with you guys.